2026 Mercedes-Benz G-Wagon, a symbol of power, prestige, and timeless design, continues to reign as one of the most iconic SUVs in the world. From rugged mountain trails to luxurious city streets, the new G-Class perfectly blends off-road dominance with ultra-modern sophistication. At first glance, the 2026 G-Wagon stays true to its legendary boxy silhouette, but a closer look reveals subtle refinements that make it even more captivating. The front fascia has been redesigned with sharper LED headlights, a more aerodynamic bumper, and an updated grille that proudly showcases the three-pointed star. Its stance remains upright and commanding, yet smoother lines and flush door handles hint at improved efficiency and modern craftsmanship. The G-Wagon's robust build, high ground clearance, and bold wheel arches instantly remind you this machine is not just about looks, it's built to conquer. Step inside, and the story takes a turn toward pure luxury. The cabin feels like a private jet on wheels, wrapped in the finest Nappa leather, complemented by customizable ambient lighting that bathes the interior in soft hues. The 2026 model features the latest MBUX infotainment system with dual curved OLED screens that seamlessly merge the digital instrument cluster and central touchscreen. Voice control has become more intuitive, responding naturally to your commands. Every touchpoint feels handcrafted, from the solid metal switches to the redesigned steering wheel with haptic feedback. Rear passengers now enjoy even more legroom and ventilated seating, proving comfort has been elevated to new heights. Under the hood, the G-Wagon's heart remains as powerful as ever. The base model comes equipped with a 3.0-liter inline-six turbo mild hybrid engine that delivers around 450 horsepower, ensuring effortless acceleration and smooth performance. For thrill seekers, the AMG G63 variant offers a twin-turbo 4.0-liter V8, producing a staggering 577 horsepower, capable of propelling this 2.5-ton beast from 0 to 100 km range in just about 4.3 seconds. The 9-speed automatic transmission has been fine-tuned for quicker shifts, while the 4MATIC all-wheel drive system intelligently distributes power to ensure maximum grip in every terrain, from desert dunes to icy slopes. Off-roadability remains the G-Wagon's pride. Its ladder frame chassis, 3 fully locking differentials, and impressive 9.5 inches of ground clearance allow it to tackle virtually any environment. The G-Mode driving program automatically adjusts suspension, steering, and throttle response for ultimate off-road control. Meanwhile, the adaptive damping suspension and revised steering system delivers smoother handling and greater stability on highways, making the 2026 G-Wagon equally at home on luxury boulevards and untamed wilderness. Technology plays a central role in this latest iteration. The advanced driver assistance suite includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, 360-degree cameras, and a new augmented reality navigation system that overlays live directions directly onto the front camera feed. The optional Burmester 3D surround sound system transforms every drive into a concert-like experience. Connectivity is top tier, with wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and over-the-air software updates keeping the system future-ready. In terms of sustainability, Mercedes has made a quiet yet meaningful shift. The mild hybrid system not only improves performance, but also enhances fuel efficiency and reduces emissions. Rumors suggest that an all-electric EQG version is in the pipeline, aligning with Mercedes' global push toward electrification, while preserving the G-Wagon's unmistakable DNA. Visually, it's impossible to ignore its road presence. The squared-off body, exposed door hinges, and side-mounted spare wheel remain as statements of tradition. Yet, small details, like redesigned 22-inch alloy wheels, new color palettes including matte finishes, and subtle LED signature strips, modernize the G-Class for a new generation of enthusiasts. On the road, the G-Wagon feels like commanding a fortress with the grace of a limousine. The elevated driving position gives unmatched visibility, and the engine's deep, confident growl reminds you of the raw power beneath. Despite its bulk, the improved suspension absorbs bumps effortlessly, while the steering feels more precise than ever before. Whether you're cruising down a highway or venturing into rough terrain, the G-Wagon delivers an experience that's both exhilarating and composed. In essence, the 2026 Mercedes-Benz G-Wagon isn't just an SUV. It's a statement of legacy, luxury, and unstoppable performance. It's for those who demand the best of both worlds, the strength of an off-roader and the elegance of a flagship luxury car. The G-Wagon remains a symbol of success, individuality, and engineering brilliance, a timeless machine that continues to evolve without losing its soul.